Then I'm gonna fry you up in some duck sauce.
Duck sauce, then I'm gonna offer you an appetizer.
Guys, can you turn it off for a second? Thank you. Where did you get all this stuff?
Sample that.
Stuff.
Dude, that's hot. Keep that for later.
No, it's not. Cut it.
What? No. Dude, some guy needed to unload it, so $700 later, it's mine.
$700.
I know, awesome deal, right? Check it. We can start a band.
I don't want to start a band.
Oh, awesome. Isn't that awesome?
I hope you have the rent.
Fulton, let's take it from stuff. That was pretty cool.
Pretty cool, okay.
Right.
1, 2, 3.
Stuff.
Stuff.
More stuff.
Stuff everywhere.
Stuff.
Dude, we gotta get a gig. Like now.